pretty much gonna be a update video, me updating you guys on everything that's been going on. But I want to start off by saying, you know, I hope everyone had good holidays, good Christmas, a happy New Year. Today it is January 1st, so happy 2021. We have left 2020 in the past. A lot of bad things happened. A lot of you know, people got sick and all that stuff. So I just want to tell you guys, I hope you guys are all safe. You guys are all good in health. Your families. I want to tell you guys that I am good. My family is good. All of my families, they're all good. So I'm very thankful for that. But anyways, guys, let's jump right into it. Where have I been, man? So the last video you guys saw was me and Mr. One-Handed Pants, Carlos. We did the whole meat thing. I didn't really talk to you guys much on that video as far as what's going on, or I did mention to you guys though that I had sold my house, if you guys remember that. So that's pretty much what's been going on, guys. I currently sold my home. Reason for me selling my house is because me and my wife and the kids, we want to get into something bigger. And as you guys noticed, in my last place, me working on all those DSMs, I'm sure you guys saw that it was getting kind of crowded. So, you know, I had a bunch of cars outside, and I didn't have no garage space for myself or for my personal car. Sometimes I had to park them outside in the street. So, you know, me and the wife talked about it, and we just said, you know what, let's take the next step forward. So that's what we did, guys. We put up our house for sale. This you know, we just talked about it like literally from one day to the other, and it all happened. And we sold our house, and we are really fortunate. We're gonna build a new one, so it's gonna start, you know, from the ground up, and it's gonna be to how we want it and we like it. So that's a pretty cool opportunity to get, you know, to build your own home. So yeah, guys, that's what's been going on. The whole moving thing. Where I am currently living now, it is really small, and I don't have any room to be working on cars. Just because I don't even have a garage. I just have like a little carport, and I have 3 cars there right now. So I have my Evo, I have the Tundra, and I just currently bought a Montero, which is what you guys saw on that first clip. You guys saw that Mitsubishi Montero. I just needed something a little better to daily, so I bought the Mitsubishi Montero. It's really nice, man. I dig that thing. I want to make it onto a nice little off-road little rig thing. And the DSM, I currently have it at one of my buddies' house. Shout out Cesar for letting me store my DSM there. And I also have I don't know if you guys remember, I purchased a little Honda Civic that I was just gonna flip, that I never got to fixing the head gasket on. But I have 2 cars at his house, and big shout out to Cesar for letting me store those cars there. But anyways, guys, that's why I haven't been really doing much as far as working on DSMs or working on anything, period. Not even on my cars. I haven't even done anything. But with that being said, like we said, me and the wife decided, you know, just take this big step forward. With this new house, it's a pretty much first come, first serve. You know, it's open land. You go when they're ready to start selling. You go, you buy the lot, and then they build your house. So it's like I said, it's a first come, first serve type of thing. Whoever's on the list, they shoot you email or they contact you. Hey, we're ready to start pre-selling. Come in, first come, first serve. And it's honestly, it's kind of it's a little bit of a risk taker, if that makes any sense, because like I said, it's a first come, first serve. So if you go in there and it's taken. Sorry if my camera's moving all weird or whatever. But we said, you know what, heck with this. Sometimes in life you have to take those big steps and make those big moves. So we said, you know, let's put our house for sale. We sold our house, we moved out, and that's what we're waiting on, guys. So I have a good feeling that everything's gonna go smooth, and hopefully in 6 months from now, 6 to 8 months, we'll be having our new home, and you guys will see what's coming, and it should be good, guys. So stay tuned for that. I know it's gonna be a long time from now, but it will be worth it, trust me. But anyway, let's talk about the cars. The Evo, man, the Evo's running good. I haven't drove her in about 2 weeks now. I want to say the battery was almost dead right now when I started it, because I've been driving the Montero. I've been daily in that, so I've been having the Evo parked. Haven't really done much to the Evo. The only thing that I did change on the Evo was the wheels. I went back to OEM Evo 9 wheels with the Federal tire. I went with 245 45 17. It looks nice. I dig it. I like how it looks. I took those XXRs off. I kept rubbing in the back, so I ended up saying heck with it, and I pulled those off. What else? The DSM also got, you guys saw the day of the video, I also slapped on a new tire on that rim, also 245 45, so she looks a lot meaner. What else can I update with you guys with? Oh, check this out. I got Draggy. We went out and tested Draggy on the Evo a while back. I'll put in a clip of that so you guys can see how the Evo did.
60.
Alrighty guys, so you guys saw that little short clip of Draggy. My camera decided to die, so I have to record on my phone. But she did good. I feel like she did pretty decent for what it is. You know, it's an oops, got a green light. It's an estimated 560 horsepower, which I believe I'm more like in the 520 range, and my clutch is slipping like crazy. So if you guys didn't notice, my clutch, this is a ACT Street Series clutch. So by me launching it, you know, with that much power, she definitely slipped. And I need to upgrade the clutch. I do have that twin disc from Action Clutch, so I need to upgrade that. I need to upgrade my cams. I need to build the head, and then we'll give it another go to see what she does. But 11.6, man, I can't complain. The car runs solid, and she runs really good. And it's, you know, I've been beating on this car for quite some time, and she's still holding on. So I'm happy with what it did. Some people might call it slow, 11.6, wow, but I'm happy with it. And yeah guys, I guess that's just pretty much it. Just a little update video on what's been going on. So, you know, I'm good. Nothing has happened to me. I'm not gonna stop making videos. It's just right now with the whole house thing, you know, it's kind of hard. I can't just start, you know, taking cars apart at the place where I'm at right now, but I'm not gonna do that, you know, start making a mess everywhere. But what else? I also wanted to ask you guys, you know, what do you guys want to see this year from me? Do you guys want to see some of this stuff, me driving and talking? Do you guys just want to see pure me work, just things of me working on DSMs and nothing else? You know, what do you guys want? Do you guys want to see some stuff when I do some stuff to the Montero? You guys want to see me, you know, talk and drive and all the little crazy things, like the day that I did Draggy? I didn't record that. You know, I could have probably recorded that. But yeah guys, let me know down in the comments. I appreciate everyone that sends me messages on Instagram, you know, asking where I've been at. Hey bro, where you at? Where the vlogs at? Where the videos at? So here's the answer, guys. You know, just been busy with the whole house thing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little update video on what's been going on. Currently I'm on my way to go pump some E on the Evo, because I haven't drove this thing for a minute. And then I'll show you guys what the Evo looks like from the outside with the Evo with the OEM wheels. And then we'll end it there, guys. So like I said, I hope everyone stays healthy. Don't give up on me. Alrighty guys, so here's the also throw on this sweet AUS injection sticker. Looks dope. Shout out AUS. Here are the wheels. what it looks like with the OEM wheels. So she looks good. I dig it for sure. Like I said, Evo doing good. I don't rub anymore. I was rubbing with the damn XXRs, so just pull those things off. But yeah, guys, first e-pump of 2021. Let's go. That is gonna be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, or you guys sometimes hit me up and ask me like questions like what should I do here with my DSM, what do you think about this? I'm still to help you guys out. Just shoot me a message on IG, or leave a comment down below. I try to get to the comments. I usually respond faster on IG than I do on YouTube. So if you have a question, something about your DSM, as far as something maintenance wise or upgrade wise, just shoot me a message, and I'll be more than happy to help. Like I said, stay healthy, guys. Hopefully everyone's doing good, and thank you guys for the continuous support on IG. So with all that being said, guys, I hope you guys have a good one. Stay safe. Happy New Year's again. And like always, I will catch you guys in the next one.